wonderful from start to finish. My salesman was professional. He worked with us on the price, so we ended up doing half of the house last year, and I have just committed to having the rest of the house finished this year. They did an amazing installation. They were in and out in one day, and they did my front door, the windows around the door, the front windows and the side windows, and everything was cleaned up afterwards, and I couldn't ask for a better experience. Oh, they're wonderful. I had no problems with it. As I said, it's definitely cut down on the amount of sunlight coming into the house, and we're not that far from the railroad here, and I've noticed a decrease in the sound from the trains as well. Incredibly well. Anytime I had a question, they answered right away, and as I said, I just couldn't ask for better service. I looked at several different companies before I went with Paradise, and I can't say enough good things about them.